The client is a major product company in telecom VAS domain. They pioneer in powering solutions to over a billion mobile subscribers across 90 countries. Their product offerings comprise mobile commerce solutions, mobile lifestyle solutions, as well as mobile enterprise solutions. Now let's see what the challenges were in terms of testing. First challenge was that there was redundancy in testing. Clients' core and implementation releases were out of sync. As a result, the changes had to be tested multiple times across releases. Second challenge was that the project schedules were highly dynamic. Due to crazy schedules, as it normally happens, test infrastructure planning becomes a pain area in itself. Third challenge was that there were difficulties in doing the right staffing as per the project requirements. Ramping up, ramping down the teams was a major constraint. Moreover, the test teams were geographically distributed. Fourth challenge was high turnaround time in bringing the teams up to appropriate levels of product or domain knowledge. Fifth challenge was that there was a lack of visibility into the project quality health indicators. Due to this, the project stakeholders had a tough time in taking right and timely decisions. Now let's see what solutions did we offer. Due to our expertise and experience in setting up robust test practices, despite competition from some heavyweight IT companies, Crestek was awarded this contract to manage testing. Key challenges like staffing, test infrastructure planning, etc. were deliberated upon in order to reach a consensus about the right model for testing. Testing as a service emerged as the best suited model for this engagement. The testing model was divided into three parts, that is setup, execution and optimization. To start with, a core retainer team comprising VAS domain SMEs was constituted. A flexi team was also identified and trained to take care of changing staffing needs as per the project requirements. Third thing that we did was automation of regression cases in order to cut the test cycle time. Fourth thing was virtualization of test infrastructure in order to meet the challenges of changing project schedules. A centralized knowledge management portal was created. It was mandatory for any new entrant to first get internally certified before getting on board on the team. Robust test practices and stringent test governance were put in place, thus ensuring a good overall quality of the product. Practices like risk-based testing, business process modeling, etc. were employed in order to optimize the test effort. Our objective was to reduce the test effort by 20% every year across a period of 3 years. In essence, a testing center of excellence was established at Crestek. Types of testing delivered were functional testing, including automation testing, performance testing comprising performance benchmarking and performance reengineering, and security testing, again including white box and black box testing. Now let's see what benefits were delivered. First benefit was reduction in test execution time, thus optimizing the overall cost of testing. Second benefit was reduction in product's lead time to market. This happened because key challenges like staffing, test infrastructure planning, etc. were eliminated. Third benefit was that the stakeholders were now able to take timely and better decisions or corrective actions with the help of product quality dashboard. Fourth benefit was that reduction in defect leakages was less than 2%. Also, the product schedule variance was less than 5%. Fifth benefit was that there was an increased level of confidence for the product amongst the end users. Reason for this was increased level of confidence in terms of product's quality, performance and security.